If your machine has the capability to add and remove specific setups for different jobs, these configurations can be added and simulated on the NC Simul digital twin. For example, this machine has the capability to run in the normal 3-axis mode on the machine table, with a mounted 4-axis trunnion, or even in positional 5-axis. On digital twins like this, there'll be a table identified for each configuration and an attachment point on the setup for each as well. The setup is created in the desired location in the same way as usual, either inside NC Simul or from one of the many CAM interface links. Inside the initialization, the active configuration can be chosen. This option would load the 4-axis assembly instead. Then, if the same setup needs to be transferred, simply drag and drop everything onto the relevant table. The same is true when mounting the 5-axis inside the initialization and transferring the setup with the part, stock, and fixturing to the next table too. Simply choose the correct origin and begin the simulation as NC Simul certifies the G-code for whatever collision objects and axes motions are active.